welcome back again on my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will discuss about how you can clear the cache and how you can check the cache on your Linux system. So this is my virtual machine, which is running RHEL 7. So in this way, I will explain you everything like how you can check cache as well as how you can clear the cache. So first of all, you have to check the cache. To check cache available, you have to press 3 hyphen G. Hyphen G will show you in gigabit. So as you can see, it is showing me total memory 0, used memory is 0, free is also 0, and cache is, since in my system cache is already clear, so that's why it is showing me 0. So let me clear the screen. If you want to check memory in megabytes, so you can press like 3 hyphen m command. You can hit, so it will show you in megabyte. But as you can see, the total memory is 972, used out of 972, used is 708, free is 65, shared memory is 22, buffer cache 198, and available memory is 86. Similarly, it is also showing me swap, which is 2047, almost 2 GB, and 98 used out of 2047, and remaining is 1949. So in this way you can check cache and available memory in your system. So let me let me explain you how you can clear the cache. If your cache is full, so you can clear with the help of one command. That command is very important. You have to hit echo 1, then you have to mention proc sys. Remember this part. This sys pm proc cache. So this command will clear the cache of page. Any page is available in the cache, so it will clear that cache. Hit enter. This command has been executed. Next command is you have to mention two. So is there any entries for like inode type of cache, so it will clear that type of cache. So you have to mention echo 3, echo 2, proc sys vm drop cache. Remember this part. And the last one is echo 3 proc sys vm drop cache. So it will clear the cache of pages, entries, and inode. So it will clear everything which is remaining in the cache. So it will clear all the cache. So these are the important three commands by which you can clear your cache in your Linux environment, in your Linux operating system. So remember these. The very first is echo 1 proc sys vm drop cache. Next one is echo 2, path is same, that is proc sys vm drop cache. Similarly, echo 3. Echo 3 means you will clear all the cache related to page, your entries, and your inodes. So I hope this video find you helpful. Thanks for watching.